Here we are asked to find the area of an equilateral triangle, and we're given a side length. Well, we know all sides then are 14. And that makes this length, half of that, 7. And then we have to remember that in a 30, 60, 90, the sides are in the ratio of t for the short side. Between the 90 and the 30 is the t radical 3. And the hypotenuse is 2t. So I can see that 2t is equal to 14, which means my t is 7, which tells me that the height is t root 3, or 7 root 3. So the area of our triangle is 1/2 the base, which is 14. All sides of that triangle are 14, times the height, we just figured out, is 7 root 3. 1/2 of 14 is 7, and 7 times 7 is 49. So our answer is 49 root 3.